out so light on his feet. Look at the range. Look how long this kid's reach is for 125 pounds. It's insane. Beautiful boxing, too, to follow it up. I mean, just crisp striking from Sumudaerji.
Oh, Sumudaerji making quick work of Malcolm Gordon.
You got to be kidding me. Brett was just talking about that he hasn't seen that fast first-round knockout, and then you go out there and do that. That's incredible. What a performance from Sumu.
Seconds, round number one. We have your winner by KO from China, the Tibetan Eagle, Sumudaerji.
Well, first UFC finish for Sumudaerji in his third appearance. We knew this kid was a prospect. He fought both times in China in the octagon previous.